Here goes the peppers right now. These are habaneros. You can see how beautiful they are. All over, all over the place. I decided to show you guys the harvest is ready today. And look at all this. It's a blessing. Planting one seed and you get a multiple of different variety, of peppers. Here we go. So guys, these are the peppers. They're awesome. So just want to share with you guys all over yellow. So I'm gonna harvest them today and show you how everything is playing here at the jwsolarusa right in Minnesota. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.